We start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if we refer to our analysis, we were expected the price to break this low, and even we mentioned we can price can retest this low, as we can see, because this is the reason, because when the price was within this move, I was keep pointing on this flat, and we mentioned we can get one more drop similar to what we get here. Okay, that's why when the price was within this move, even because we have been looking for buy, we mentioned if we wants to look for buy, we should get the trade set up for buy, and we didn't have it. All right, because simply we have been looking for this flat for one more drop. Okay, anyway, we want to see what's the next and how we can look for uh, trade. In this case, we move to higher time frame. As we can see, based on daily chart, the price dropped quite a lot because we were thinking to put this movement relative to this, but the way it's dropped is more than what we were expected. But still, we can look for this one as a running flat. That means if we get any reversal, we can look for buy. But right now, we cannot confirm. How about if we get a correction for continuation? That's why we need to see how we can trade based on lower time frame. And if we move to forward chart, and again, this is what we have been looking for. That's why we mentioned if we get that, we can expect to get the drop. And as we can see, it's a really sharp, similar to what we get here. And as we can see, the price broke the previous low. Now, what we have based on the indicators, MACD doesn't show us anything. I mean, we don't have the divergence, okay? But it doesn't mean we cannot look for buy. Still, we can look for buy if we get any reversal. But right now, we don't have any trade set up to look for trade, okay? Anyway, what I want to highlight here, if you're looking for buy, we need to make sure that we're looking for the buy that can retest this top. But we need to know we can get one more what similar to what we get here for bigger correction. Then this one can tend to internal correction, because the times we wanted to put this one in relative to this, the way it was looking, we couldn't match, but still we could look for the flat. Okay, what I want to see is that we need to know about the possibility this one give us one more walk, we get a bigger correction. But anyway, we're looking for reversal. Any buy, we will take the trade. And now we move to 1 hour chart. And how about the 1 hour chart? If I put this one in relative to the previous low, what we have, we can look for the divergence, but if there is a continuation, we need to be aware may disappear, and as well here we have a divergence. That's why any reversal right now we can look for buy, but right now we don't have any trades set up either for buy or sell. We need to see what we get here. If we get a correction similar to what we get here, still we can look for price to drop, and even we can expect this one the long running flat, okay, including this one as a expanding 1 2 3. Just mean this move got expanding. This is a correction for one more drop, but we are not so interested in the sell. We need to see what we get here before we talk about the sell, but right now we don't have it. And even we don't have any trade set up for buy, but any reversal with a sharp move flag, we will take the trade and we start to manage. And what we're looking for as a reversal, we're looking for the sharp move, not the corrective move, because for sure if we get a corrective move, we can expect the price to drop. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.